students, I am Mughal Mus. So now we will see the fourth exercise in our first lesson. It is very easy. See the title. Complete avec un pronom sujet ou un pronom tonique. Complete with the subject pronoun or tonic pronoun. So what is subject pronoun and tonic pronoun? So you know very well the subject pronoun. And we are seeing here, if you know or not, you will identify. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So this everything is covers in the grammar part. Okay, je is I, tu is you, il is he or it, elle is she or it, nous is we, vous is you, il is plural form they, elle is plural form they. Okay. Tonic pronoun is always used near the subject pronoun. And another way, tonic pronoun is always used to emphasize after the word and. It will occur. Okay. So, je will change it for moi. When the subject is tu, it is toi. When the subject is il, it is lui. When the subject is elle, same thing. When the subject is nous, same thing. When the subject is vous, here also vous. When the subject is plural form, ils,eux. When the subject is els, it is the same thing will occur. So remember, je, tu, il and il, plural form. Remaining things will occur in the same thing. Okay. See the first one. Dash parle Hindi. So before the word, you'll always have a subject pronoun. So you speak Hindi, that is a sentence. This you is, it will occur in the pronoun subject. Subject pronouns is always placed near the verb. That also you remember. So here parler is the verb. So vous, parler is ending is ez. It is regular er verb and it is ends with ez. Ends with ez pronoun is vous. Okay. Okay, second one. And second sentence verb is a reflexive verb that is covers in your page number 5. Vous appelez comment? That is, how do you call yourself? Or what is your name? Like this you have to ask. Well, you appelez. Somebody you want to call, vous appelez comment? That means what is your name? This appelez is a reflexive verb. It is there in your page number 5. So this vous is already is there and appelez is the er verb and it is now here it is present ending is ez. For ez pronoun subject is vous. Okay, that is identification. So that ending with ez, don't forget is, and the reflexive pronoun will occur. So answer will come vous. Vous appelez comment? So what are the things I am saying? You remember and revise it. Then it is easy for you to write. After few days, you will write over your own. Vous êtes indien. Vous, you, dash, at indien. So vous is already used here. It is a pronoun of tonic pronoun. And second dash you have to follow. And next word is the verb. So subject pronoun is always near the verb. So subject pronoun you check at. So you are Andien. So here it will occur. So here you you have to give an important comma and dash z and the n. Okay, and subject pronoun will placed near the verb. That is very important. Verb is irregular verb, that is atre verb. I will show you afterwards. That is irregular verb atre, that is is, is subject pronoun is vous. Okay. Fourth one. Je m'appelle Remy. My name is Remy. A and dash Monsieur Sir. So, my name is Remy and you sir. That A is and. I already told pronoun tonic is used after and. So you, it's a monsieur is a respectful person. So which tonic pronoun you have to use? Toi or vous? Vous only you have to use because monsieur is a responsible person, respectful person or elder person. Okay, monsieur means sir. A dash, comment tu t'appelles? And dash, how do you call yourself? Or and dash, what is your name? So after and, the dash is there. So which word you have to select? Yes, very good. Pranotonic. Pranotonic. And here see the subject is tui. So tonic pronoun is toi. Near you, it will come toi. Okay. So revise it. Revision is very important. When you are seeing again and again this video, you can able to answer in your own. Okay. French is very easy compared to other subject. Thank you.